Good morning, students. Welcome to the second session of economics class. Today I would like to begin with chapter 2, that is basic concepts of economics. As we have got some idea in the previous class regarding human wants, so in this chapter we will be detailing about the concept. So what is human want? Human want, we can say it is a desire to have something, but on the other hand, it is the capability to purchase that one particular thing. For example, you dream to have a bungalow of your own. That is your dream. But is your income sufficient so that you can afford that bungalow? You can afford to purchase that bungalow? If you have that capacity, then it becomes want. For example, you desire to have Mercedes Benz or any luxurious car that is available. But is your pocket allowing to purchase that luxurious car? If it allows, then it becomes want. And if it doesn't allow, then it remains a desire. So, in this earth, everywhere one can desire anything, but it becomes want only when he has that capacity to purchase or to buy that commodity or to buy that thing. Therefore, human want is a very interesting term, and in economics it has got the most important place. Next, we move on to its various characteristics. First is human wants are unlimited. It never ends. It never ends. I have already given you an example in the previous class. Today you ride a bicycle. Tomorrow you want a two-wheeler, and as your income increases, you want four-wheeler, and so on and on. Second, we have all wants cannot be satisfied simultaneously. Why? So here I would like to give a question mark. Unlimited human wants and limited resources. You want many things in your life, but are you earning so much that you can buy everything that is available in the market? No. That is why we say that resources are limited and everything cannot be fulfilled at the same time. So, how we do that? How we manage? We prioritize the wants. I would like to give a very practical example. Like, have you seen your mother preparing the list every month of the expenses that is done, domestic expense list she is making? So in that, she is prioritizing according to the amount given by your father. Suppose your father is having a particular earning, and out of that he is giving a part of his income for the domestic expenses. So what your mother does? She makes a list by prioritizing the expenses. So how we prioritize? whatever is needed first is kept at the top of the list, and so on. As we move at the bottom of the list, it is not very essential at the present moment. So we keep those items below, and whatever we need at the present moment we keep in the first. So that is known as prioritization. Next, intensity of wants differ. Like when you are very hungry, at that particular moment you want a gorgeous dress or you want food. Obviously you want food to fulfill your hunger, to satisfy your hunger. You don't want that beautiful dress which is kept. So intensity of wants differ. Whatever you need at the present moment, you want that first. Next I move on to wants are complementary to each other. I would like to give an example of car and petrol. A car without petrol is useless because car runs on the fuel. So if there is no petrol, car will not run. So car and petrol are dependent on each other. Similarly, we have pen and ink. Pen and a pen without an ink has no use. Therefore, these two commodities complement each other. These two commodities complement each other. Next we have substitutability of want, or wants are substitutable, which means, for example, tea and coffee. Both these things give the same level of satisfaction. Either you have tea or you consume coffee. So, if suppose in the market the price of coffee rises, an individual shifts to tea. Similarly, as the price of tea rises, an individual shifts to coffee. That means with the increase in price of one, the demand of other increases. With the increase in price of one, the demand for other increases. So, suppose this is tea and this is coffee, and vice versa. So I hope till here you have understood. Please read line by line, and whatever I have explained, try to keep that in mind with the examples.